Are you a gamer or content creator looking to elevate your streaming or recording experience? A high-quality capture card could be the game changer you need. With the right capture card, you can seamlessly transfer gameplay footage from your console or PC to your streaming platform, all while maintaining stunning video quality. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a budding streamer, understanding the key features and benefits of capture cards can help you make an informed decision. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best capture cards on the market, providing insights to help you find the perfect fit for your gaming setup. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Elgato Cam Link 4K external camera capture card. When you embark on your journey to become a successful streamer, one of the most crucial elements that can elevate your content is the camera you use. While many new streamers start with a standard webcam, transitioning to a high-quality digital camera can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your streams. However, to connect that camera seamlessly to your streaming setup, you'll need a reliable capture device or a capture card that accommodates multiple HDMI inputs. Introducing the Elgato Cam Link 4K, an ideal solution for creators like you who want to bring professional quality video to your audience. Its user-friendly design means you can connect various cameras with ease, allowing you to focus on your content rather than technical details. This capture card is particularly valuable if you're creating non-gaming content where visual quality plays a significant role in audience engagement. With the Elgato Cam Link 4K, you don't have to compromise on quality or break the bank to achieve that polished look. You'll find that this device provides stunning 4K video output, ensuring that your streams stand out and resonate with viewers. As you continue to grow your brand and connect with your community, investing in the right equipment can make all the difference. By choosing the Elgato Cam Link 4K, you're taking a proactive step toward delivering a superior streaming experience that captivates and retains your audience. Don't just stream, create a lasting impression. At number 4, KKF HDMI Video Capture Card. The KKF HDMI Video Capture Card is your go-to solution for creating dynamic virtual presentations and live streams. Designed with simplicity in mind, this device features a user-friendly plug-and-play interface, allowing you to set up your recording or streaming session effortlessly. No external power required. This means you can take your creativity on the road, streaming or recording high-quality content anywhere you choose. Imagine capturing gameplay, movie screenings, or important presentations in stunning full HD at 60 frames per second. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a gamer looking to share your sessions, an educator wanting to engage students, or a content creator aiming to connect with your audience, this capture card will elevate your productions to new heights. While the KKF HDMI Video Capture Card doesn't include streaming software, it is compatible with various specialized programs, along with basic functions found in Windows and the latest Apple operating systems. This flexibility allows you to tailor your streaming setup to suit your unique needs and preferences. By choosing the KKF HDMI Video Capture Card, you're not just investing in a piece of technology, you're opening the door to endless creative opportunities. Get ready to connect with your audience in impactful ways and share your passion, all from the comfort of your chosen environment. Let your voice be heard and your visuals shine brightly. The only limit is your imagination. Number 3, we have the Razer Ripsaw HD Game Streaming Capture Card. When it comes to streaming, clear audio is essential for creating an engaging experience. You know how challenging it can be to capture and balance various audio sources, whether it's in-game sounds, your commentary, or background music. If the audio isn't on point, viewers may miss key moments, leading to disengagement. The Razer Ripsaw Capture Card addresses these challenges head-on, making audio management smoother and more intuitive for you. With two 3.5mm ports, it allows you to connect both a microphone and headphones at the same time. This means you can effortlessly monitor your audio in real time, ensuring that your voice and game sounds blend perfectly, creating a more immersive experience for your audience. No more awkward adjustments mid-stream or frantic switching between devices. With the Razer Ripsaw, You can focus on what really matters, your gameplay and connecting with your viewers. The ability to hear your own commentary, along with the game's audio, empowers you to gauge energy levels and adjust your delivery to keep your audience engaged. The setup is straightforward, ensuring that you spend less time worrying about audio issues and more time honing your craft. By enhancing your audio quality, you're not just improving your stream, you're elevating your entire content creation process. With the Razer Ripsaw, you can bring your unique voice and passion to the forefront, making every stream a memorable experience for you and your audience. At number 2, AVerMedia Live Gamer Duo Capture Card. As you embark on your streaming journey, you may notice that your gear needs will evolve significantly over time. Every experienced streamer knows that as your audience grows, so does the complexity of your setup. You might find yourself juggling multiple devices, from gaming consoles to DSLR cameras, to provide the unique and engaging content your viewers crave. This is where the AVerMedia Live Gamer Duo can make a real difference in your streaming experience. With its 2 HDMI inputs, it simplifies the process of connecting various devices, allowing you to effortlessly switch between a camera and a second gaming console. This dual input option not only enhances your streaming capabilities, but also elevates your production quality, helping you connect more deeply with your audience. Imagine being able to present dynamic gameplay while incorporating high-quality live video feeds, all with ease. The Live Gamer Duo is designed to grow with you, ensuring that you're always equipped to deliver the best content possible for your viewers. As you continue to develop your channel and engage with your community, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Embrace the opportunity to enhance your stream and watch as your connection with your audience flourishes. Investing in the right gear, like the AVerMedia Live Gamer Duo, sets you on a path to success in the ever-evolving world of streaming. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Elgato HD60S Plus External Capture Card. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use capture card, the Elgato HD60S Plus stands out as a top choice in the market. Designed with simplicity in mind, this capture card is compatible with a wide range of devices, including consoles, laptops, and desktops, making it an excellent option for gamers like you. The HD60S Plus ensures you won't miss those epic gaming moments, allowing you to record and share your gameplay effortlessly. With its straightforward interface, you can focus on what matters most, your gameplay. You'll appreciate its ability to capture high-quality footage at 1080 pixel, which is perfect for streaming or creating content. Plus, the pass-through capability supports up to 4K resolution, ensuring that you experience every detail of your games without any compromise on image quality while playing. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just getting started, the Elgato HD60S Plus empowers you to showcase your skills seamlessly. Elevate your gaming experience and connect with your audience on a deeper level by sharing high-quality content that captures every thrilling moment. With the HD60S Plus, you can easily become a part of the vibrant gaming community, sharing your achievements and memorable plays with fans and followers alike. Don't let the opportunity to highlight your gaming journey slip by. Transform it into something extraordinary with one of the best capture cards available. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which capture card you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.